Hi grade 4s, welcome back. Today we are going to continue learning about division and how to represent division equations in different ways. Yesterday we focused on practicing using manipulatives and physically moving items around and breaking them apart into equal groups. Today we're going to continue that same idea, but we're going to do drawing day. And the great thing is when you're doing drawing in math, you don't have to be an artist. You can use simple symbols, or you can go a little more artistic and draw something a little more detailed. And then we will create those division equations using those drawings.
All right, let's get things rolling. There are two ways I'm going to show you today to represent division using models. The first is with equal groups, and the second is with array models, which we're already very familiar with through multiplication. Let's start with 15 divided by 3. This is an equation that we've done a few times, so you should be familiar with it. For equal groups, what we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing 3 equal groups. We're actually going to start with that divisor. And then I'm going to draw in each box until I get to 15 items in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 items in total divided into 3 groups, and there are 5 in each group. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. I can also show that same equation, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, using an array model. So I'm going to start with my 3, my divisor, and I'm going to make 3 that way, and then I'm going to go down and then fill it in. So I went down 5 because 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So now I have 3 rows, or 3 columns, with 5 in each column. Let's do one more together. So these are both really fast ways to represent. They're very similar to what we were doing yesterday with the manipulatives. The only difference is you're drawing it this time. We're gonna now imagine a sentence, a division sentence, and going to draw that. So I want you to imagine that there are 20 dog treats and 5 dogs. So 20 treats, 5 dogs. How many do they each get? So 20 divided by 5 is equal to how many? So I'm going to start by drawing 5 dogs. They're starting to look a bit like bears, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I am going to draw my dog treats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 5 dogs with each of them having 4 treats. If you're doing this, you can draw them nicely and draw like a cute, dog bone situation, or however you want to draw it. I just did it quickly, but it can be a lot of fun if you draw it as an actual image. It can also draw this as an array. So again, 5 horizontally, and then I would fill it in. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And now I know that there are 4 in each, so 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Same with here, we have 20 dots divided into 5 columns is equal to 4 rows.
All right, grade 4, so now you see how I create division equations and represent them pictorially using equal groupings or arrays. I did this on my iPad because it was easiest for me, but you can draw it on paper, you can draw it on Seesaw, you could even go out with some sidewalk chalk and draw it out there, take a picture and send it to me. There are going to be equations just like there were yesterday for you to practice with, and I want you to practice making those equations, drawing them for me, and post one on Seesaw for me to see. Bye, grade 4s!